Happy birthday! Is it your birthday? What's that? What's that over there? Is it? Yeah. Yeah? What's inside? Yeah. It's ribbon. It's a hamster. Yeah. Do you like it?
I want to open that.
Do you want to open your card?
Open my car. Mom, what's my friend doing?
Is it? Wow, do you like it?
I want berry too.
Do you?
Yeah, he's a beluga.
He's a beluga whale, yes.
Mom, I can't open it. I'm happy. Mom, look at this we can get.
Yeah. Let's open it.
Okay. Mom, now he's stuck.
Is it?
Yeah, he's got all these.
Need some help?
Yep, Pat. Oh, Mom, I'm actually going to take the bath, and I need to take that bath.
You need to take a bath.
Yes, but what's that? Whoa, a hamster wheel? Oh, he wants to go to it.
Does he?
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna go this one. Oh.
An hour later, she's still in the same spot. Do you like your toy?
I like my cool pet,
Yeah?
but I can't build it.
You can't build it.
Yep, but it was a kitty. That.
And now while she's playing with her stickers that were in her birthday card, she's watching YouTube videos about the hamster set she got. I don't know how she found them, but there we go. Happy birthday!
No!
Yeah.
Is that Hank? Is that Hank?
Yeah, that's Hank.
Nemo. Look, I found Nemo.
Did ya?
I found Hank and Louie.
Aria just tried to give her hamster a bath. So he's soaking wet now. Hope he's not ruined. It's okay. It's okay. You just can't get wet, okay? And now she's very upset. And then it lags.
Look at this.
YouTube is being a butt lately.
Oh yeah! I read that book. That's not that. It's that. There. There.
Got stuff?
But I got toys.
Yeah.
Okay. Yay. Now what? Can I have one? Do it again. You get it, please. And hang. Please. Please. You put it on the list.
Oh, you want this one?
What one?
Good.
Yes!
There you go.
Are they open to the
Wait, you got that news.
Oh, don't give me that piece. That's part of your present. Now look. This one. That's a picture. Yeah.
Hey, look,
Of what you're going to
what's
get.
going to go in here? What's going to go in it?
What's going to go in here? Is that a rat cage? For your rats? A rat cage for your rats? Yeah.
Good.
Oh, how about you leave them out in the home? What about the rest? What about the rest?
Sure. Can we do these too?
Oh, cool.
Oh, now I know what the chalk's for. That's Bailey. Aria doesn't know what these.
Careful. That's why you don't say it.
Oh, it's a necklace.
Bracelet.
It's not a necklace.
Hello.
Hello.
Good, there's something to keep part of the children.
Bounce. Oh, you're going to bang yourself up more. Give her a minute, dude.
What's this, Lily? Hello, Lily. Yeah, Lily. What's this?
You silly.
This one is the long. I found one thing.
Aria.
Move aside, mate.
It's birthday. Ready?
Press the button and it comes
Oh,
Hey!
yay! Happy
Well done.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aria. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip
Hooray!
hip hip
Hooray!
hip hip
Hooray!
Okay. You gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
There you go. You cut it.
Yes.
You cut it. Go for it, girl.
Can I?
Good girl. Oh, that's it. Do you want me to do it now?
No. Can I?
It's got to make difference.
No. Okay. Right. Stand up there for a minute.
Probably wants that one. Oh,
Rabbit.
woohoo! Mark, what one?
Oh, keep fingers away while I've got a knife in your hand, eh? Are you right there?
Okay,
Okay. Uh-oh.
This is exactly what happened on her birthday last year.
And the year before.
Right, go for it.
I think Aria's mouth's full.
Is Aria gonna have a party?
Well, the word that I heard was that they haven't.
So pretty.
So pretty.
Oh no! I found him! I want that one. I want that one. I want that one up front.
Yeah, to get them out.
Come here, Maddie. Hey, guys. What Betty do? Yeah. Oh, you're fine. Hello. Look at baby's mouthy. I want to eat him. Oh, that's so cute.
Be careful.
Okay. Oh, look at all the baby. The rats. The baby. I didn't know the baby. I love her. I'm there. It's pretty. Here, come here.
Come check this out. What's that? No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. What's that?
Over here.
What is? No, 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 no. This. What's this?
Who's it?
What is it?
Bed.
Whose bed is it?
Corn bed.
His bo-
Look, someone else. Wait.
This is your new bed.
Me?
Yeah.
I want. But I opened my present.
Oh, I should have washed your face first.
No.
That's your present too. It's your bed.
My present?
Yeah.
My present? Somebody's knocking down.
No, the box just fell over.
Oh, it fell over?
Yeah. Do you like your bed?
Yes. I did it.
Yeah.
I did go asleep.
You made it?
Yeah.
Do you like your bed?
Yeah, I like my bed. But I'm tired.
You're tired?
I love my coin.
Do you love your new bed?
I love my bed. I'm sleeping again.
Yeah?
Yeah. Mom, I love my bed.
Do you?
Yes, Mom.
It's all yours. It's your big girl bed.
It's crying bed.
It's a crying bed. It's
Yes,
it's
Mom.
raining. It's not crying, it's raining.
Oh, it's raining?
Yeah.